There are different designs, the most popular being the adjustable laptop stand. There are various styles and heights of these adjustable frames, too. Some even extend high enough to enable you to stand and work. Remote workers, office workers, writers and journalists, and even gamers will immediately feel the benefits. Generally, anyone that spends a lot of time sitting at a desk using a laptop should consider getting one. Here are the best laptop stands available and now. There are many products available to choose the best laptop stand, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best laptop stand from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Lifelong Upryze Ergonomic Laptop Stand. Lifelong Upryze laptop stand is one of the sturdiest extendable laptop stands available. It holds any size device, even the heaviest of laptops, and can extend as high as 17 inches. It really proves its worth when you use it for standing presentations or video calls, because there are currently so few laptop stands that can reach this stand's height. Additionally, you can adjust the plate angle, whether seated or standing, to achieve the perfect frame for your video or comfort for your back. However, adjusting the stand's height may be a little cumbersome as the hinges are stiff. It's a minor complaint and one that is down to the sturdiness of the frame. As they say, you can't have your cake and eat it. However, you must also take care not to knock the desk or the actual frame when fully extended, as this is when its balance is at its most vulnerable. The stand features an airflow hole to ensure your laptop doesn't overheat. You can find it on the plate at the top and it aids in heat dissipation. At the bottom of the plate are 2 stoppers to hold your laptop in place. 4 small silicone pads in each corner act as anti-slip pads to ensure your device stays where you want it. It folds up nicely and fits into any luggage if you are an on-the-go digital nomad. On the other hand, it weighs a little heavier than others at almost 4.5 pounds. If weight is a factor, consider how important standing while working is to you before purchasing. Number 2. Soundance Laptop Stand. Soundance laptop stand's design enables you to sit at your desk with good posture comfortably. Your back will be healthily straight because your laptop will be at eye level as you click away on your keyboard. It is not adjustable, so it isn't suitable for very tall people or for standing up. However, this stand is a good choice if your job involves lots of typing, researching, or reading. It's also great for the posture of online educators using webcams to teach students while seated. There isn't a flat platform for laptop support. Instead, there are 2 arms to support your device. This design allows air to flow freely and contributes to keeping your device from overheating. If your laptop is slim, like a MacBook, you may want to be aware of the lip at the end of each arm support. They do turn up quite a lot, which may be uncomfortable when typing. For thicker laptops, it is a good fit. However, keep in mind that an external keyboard is always the best choice when using a laptop stand. The stand comes in 3 parts, and you can quickly put it together without the need for any tools. This design also makes it transportable, but it probably isn't ideal for digital nomads and other travelers who may not wish to pack awkwardly shaped pieces. Finally, those with the largest sized laptops should look elsewhere, as this stand will only support up to 15.6 inches. Number 3. Dutchie Adjustable Laptop Stand. Foldable, portable, and very lightweight, the Dutchie Adjustable Laptop Stand is a good choice for the on-the-go professional. At 2 inches thick when folded flat, this stand can slip into your luggage or bag comfortably. Thanks to its C-frame design, you can adjust it to a height of 7 inches at the front and 10 at the back. You can also change the plate's angle to suit, meaning most will be able to use it while standing. Those seated for prolonged periods will always find a comfortable position. 2. It features ventilation hollows that prevent your laptop from overheating, and the lips that hold your computer in place are not overly intrusive. A ny-sized laptop is supportable, as long as it is less than 13 pounds in weight, and the sturdy aluminium construction will give you confidence. However, like any adjustable stand, its sturdiness shouldn't be overestimated at maximum height. There will be a bit of a wobble, and you should take the necessary care. Number 4. Nulaxi Laptop Stand for Desk. Although the Nulaxi C1 doesn't reach the same dizzy heights as other adjustable laptop stands, it can still do helpful alterations. The legs are adjustable at the top and the bottom to create various angles and heights to suit your needs. If you sit at your desk for long periods staring into your laptop, this stand will help you find multiple positions to help you retain good posture. However, it isn't so extendable that it is suitable for standing presentations. Its sturdy aluminium build makes it a reliable and robust stand that will continue to support your laptop for years to come. In fact, it will support any device up to an impressive 44 pounds. Nulaxi claims that the aluminium alloy plate acts as a heat sink by absorbing heat from your device and cooling it down. There is a ventilation hole, but it is not particularly prominent and is not in the center. Your laptop will remain much cooler on the stand than sitting on a desk. Number 5. Boyata Laptop Stand. Boyata N19 ergonomically designed laptop stand is another fantastic choice for those looking for adjustable features. The Z-style frame has very stiff hinges, which may sound like a flaw as it could be cumbersome to adjust. However, it means that it is also very sturdy. Couple this with the fact that it features 4 silicone pads, including 2 on the unobtrusive lips at the bottom of the platform, and you can be sure that your laptop isn't safe. Hands. The stand reaches a pretty good elevation of more than 10 inches. You can also set the platform viewing angle to almost completely straight. These adjustments make for a good position for your tablet. There is a large hole in the center of the platform. This design ensures good airflow and prevents your device from overheating. It can also be folded down and packed away pretty easily, and at just about 2.5 pounds, the weight isn't excessively burdensome.
That's all my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.